So imagine you're correcting proofs in InDesign and you need to modify some text near the reference to footnote number 9. Now, InDesign does not have a Go To Footnote Reference command. It only has the reverse. If you're inside a footnote, you can go back to the reference in the body text, but the other way, going to a specific footnote marker by number, that you cannot do that with the native command. There is a little trick by using the story editor. So you just click in the text and hit Command-Y or Control-Y to bring up the story editor. And then you can click just before the footnotes. And if you hit Command-Y again, you're positioned exactly at the footnote reference. Now, this script by Laurent Tournier does it quicker. So you just double-click his script. The English version is called Go To Footnote. You type in the footnote number you want to go to, and you're immediately positioned at the position in the text. So you run it, you type the footnote number, and InDesign jumps straight to the footnote reference.